Man, you know the job inside. Well.
Wow, impressive. So how many days you spend on digging to this point?
From clearing the grounds, taking the measurement and digging to this point, it take about 21 days.
21 days.
Great work. Tell us a bit about this project.
So this be about 8,000 capacity juvenile catfish earthen pond, 20 by 20 feet square. One side be 5 feet deep and the other side be 5 feet, 4 centimeters deep. We slope the bottom for easy harvest.
Okay, good. Okay, so what be next?
From this point, we go slope all the edges to control erosion.
Okay.
And that will start on Monday, sake of Saturday be our off day.
Okay, guys, we've just completed the first phase of digging our earthen pond to kickstart catfish farming here in Ahwerase, Aburi, Ghana. Next, we will be finishing the pond and introducing 4,000 juvenile catfish to begin this exciting journey. Subscribe to our channel and follow every step as we grow our catfish farm from the ground up. Join us on this natural and rewarding journey.